In times like this, you realize just how fragile life can be. Beyond everything you have ever done, you find yourself only able to care about the two souls behind you, watching in horror as you stand in front of a roaring fire. Salem's laugh echoes through the air. This laugh is so familiar, and yet it still chills you to the bone. Your eyes glance upward as you look at the falling hotel. They had just rebuilt it, and now you're here. You brought Salem here. Is this your fault? Are Charlie and Vaggie going to lose everything they worked for because of you? No. The hotel was not going to fall. You are not going to let it fall. You have to beat her. You have to show her that you are not her pet. You are your own person. Your soul is yours, and your heart, well, you turn just slightly and see Charlie and Vaggie trying to comfort each other. Vaggie kept her arms tight around Charlie while Charlie tried to push her away, desperately wanting to fight by your side. But Salem made it clear, you are to fight alone. You must do this alone to save the hotel, to save them, and to save yourself. As your gaze meets Salem's once more, you see the malice in her eyes, her fingers cracking individually as magic poured from her center. It's time, pet. Salem's smirk widened, her eyes growing wider as magic collected at her palms. 3 chances. You have 3 chances. Charlie cried out behind you. We love you! Please! Don't die! Don't leave us! Please! Salem's smirk twitched, her magic humming louder as fire followed in every step she took. The hourglass shall turn in 3. You glance behind one last time at Charlie and Vaggie. All those moments with them, when you arrived, when you went out for ice cream, the ring, the date, dancing under the stars, every kiss and struggle, they all brought you here. 2. This is your chance. It's your turn to prove that you do not bow to anyone, and that Charlie and Vaggie don't have to worry about you You can protect yourself. 1. Salem launches at you with a fire coiling around her wrists. Her hands close, and she throws a punch, but you dodge out of the way. You feel the heat graze your cheek, and damn it, it burns. The daughter of wrath, her fires burn hotter than you expect. But you take her miss as an opportunity. Your fist clenches and you aim a heavy blow to her abdomen. You hear her breath catch and feel the crunch of one of her ribs. Salem sinks her nails into your shoulder, shoving you down. Her heel finds your stomach and she forces you further to the ground, digging the stiletto into your chest. Despite your strength and your struggle, you find yourself pinned, and she, above you, laughs. I win this round, pet. You grit your teeth and glare at her, her smirk only causing your hatred for her to burn even hotter. Despite the pain that ripped through you like hot iron, you grab her ankle and pull her down with every ounce of strength that you have. She twists around, but her knee strikes the ground and you hear her scream. There, the opportunity. You take her moment of pain to get back up, composing yourself where you've rushed for her and landed a swift kick to her side, sending her tumbling away from you, across the charred ground. She rolls onto her back, and you see blood slipping from the corner of her lip. Is that all you have? Salem pulls herself up, all 4 of her hands catching fire as she bolts at you once more. She goes to swing at you, but you grab her arm suddenly. She goes to scratch you with her free hand, but you catch her wrist. Now face to face, her other 2 limbs just out of reach. One of them seems to be limp. When you kicked her, you broke it. You'll pay for that. Her eyes burn with rage, and she rears her head back only to swing it forward to smack her head against yours. You and Salem both stagger backwards, crumbling from the pain. But you're able to recover. Salem's attack backfired, and while she was holding her head, you rush at her. Your bodies slam together with a sickening crunch. The both of you are sent rolling, and while she tries to claw and swing at you, you manage to pin her down. With a smirk, you realize you are the triumphant one this round. Don't get cocky. Salem spits at you, blood and saliva getting in your eyes, causing them to burn. She swings at you with her still good arm, and you feel your jaw crack. With one eye open, you grab her neck and start to strangle her, only for her hands to claw at your arm. Deep bleeding gashes cover your arms as her nails sink into the muscles. Her eyes glow bright as she grins wickedly at you. This is it. This is it. The next round, pet. A burst of flames struck your abdomen, and you feel your body thrown far from her. Your teeth grit as you land on your back. But you can't stay there for long. You have to get up. You have to win. For Charlie, for Vaggie, for the hotel. Holding your stomach, you force yourself up and look towards Salem as she kneels on the ground. She looks winded. Her hair is a mess. blood spilling from her lips, but that smile, those eyes still stare at you with the same conviction as before. Salem places her hands on the dirt, her fingers digging into it, and for a moment you're confused until you feel the rumbling beneath you. Fire, brimstone, dirt, and ash fly up at you as the ground breaks under your feet. Once again, you're thrown backwards, and the dust, ash, and flames blind you. You're going to lose. Turning around, swiping your arms around you to find some clearing, some idea of where you are. Give up, pet. You can't win here. Yes. Yes. Give up. Why keep fighting? You're only going to get hurt more. A blast of fire shoots past your face. It barely misses you. Her voice is everywhere. Where am I, pet? You can't see, you can't fight, and time's up on round 3. There! With a powerful swing, your fist finds Salem's cheek. Her jaw crunches and she screams. You throw another punch to her chest. Her hands light again with fire, but before she can throw it, you catch one of her wrists. Then her other. The smoke cloud dissipates as you shove Salem to the ground once again. This time, you set your foot on her chest. You've pinned her down. You win. I think it's over, Maggie. I think they won. Hold on, Charlie. Don't go yet. No, they need us. Let's go. Charlie, wait. At least wait for me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Are you okay? Oh, no, don't move. Oh, you look really hurt. But look, you won. Look at you. You did it. Are you okay? Hey, take a deep breath. It's okay. You're safe now. No! This isn't how it's supposed to end. I was supposed to win. How dare you? How dare you? No, Salem, stay back. They won fair and square. No, I don't lose. I win. I only win. No, Salem, you lost. This time, you lost. And you need to stop. No one else needs to get hurt. No one else? No one else? You don't know who you're talking to, sweetheart. I'm Satan's daughter. I can do what I want. I can hurt who I want. Salem, no you can't. Stop this. Or what? What are you going to do, fallen birdie? Salem, stop. You've lost. At least try and keep your dignity. Dignity? Dignity? I have no dignity anymore. I lost it the second I was beaten by a sinner. Oh, no. This won't do. I don't lose. You should move aside, princess. No! You lost, and you will honor that. You hear me? You will. And you'll leave. Now. No! I'm not going. Dad! Hey, Charlie. I seem to have got your friend. You mind if I take care of this? No, please. Do that. All right, Salem. I know someone who wants to talk to you. It's time that you had a little talk with Daddy. What? No! 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 She's gone. She's really gone. Oh. Hey, are you okay? Don't move. You're still hurt. It's gonna be okay. Just relax. We've got you. We've got you.